Okay, so we're back. We've completed the electrical report in this property. There isn't a great deal more wrong with it than what I've already found and shown you, really. But I can go on a little walk around and sort of explain a few things. So I'll just spin the camera around and we'll start to take you around. So I've left this socket open so you can sort of see the state of it. Nothing badly wrong with that, it's just very old, it's very dated. You can see there's a bit of rust in the back box there, there's no grommets where the cables enter. I suspect that wiring is probably 40-50 years old. I mean, you can see these sockets are really old. So anyway, this circuit down here, the sockets, there is a fault on it that would require further investigation. There's an open circuit on the neutral, which is potentially a potential fire risk should the circuit be overloaded. And then, I mean, moving on from there, we've basically, everything is earthed. So, you know, that's all good. It's a bit of a very basic installation here in this property. It's very dated. So we've got a bit of damage there that we noted before. But really, I haven't really found anything more wrong with it. It will fail based on realistically more just damage to accessories is the main thing. And also this service head here, which I suspect is damaged under there. In fact, I can see there is a bit of damage to that. I mean, I'll have a chat with the customer about this because I suspect this property will be getting fully refurbished, and if that's the case, I'd probably recommend that it's rewired. It doesn't massively, it doesn't necessarily need rewiring. It could be, remain in service for years to come, but it really depends. If the buyer of this property is going to be fully renovating it, which I suspect they are, now would be the time to rewire it because it's such invasive work, cutting into walls, lifting floors, all that kind of thing. There really isn't a suitable time to do it unless you're refurbishing. So also, if they wish to make several alterations to this, which I imagine they probably will, that will cost a fair bit of money just to alter it, and you might end up with a electrical installation that's a mixture of old and new, where you've spent a load of money and you may as well have just started again, really, for peace of mind. So yes, I would recommend it's probably rewired. But that's about it for this one.